guys, namaste. Welcome to 9 Mentions. Before getting into the video, please subscribe. Your subscription is very important for me and hope you all are doing fine. And I'm not unwell, I have not applied Kajal, that's it. Okay, so today I'll be talking about a makeup kit from the brand Colorbar. This is how this looks. Now, Colorbar has put together 4 makeup essentials which are very important for women who like to do makeup. Like this kit includes one kajal, nail polish, blush, and lipstick. Yeah. So this kit is number 002. There was one more kit which was 001. This is for warm skin tone, and the other kit was for fair skin tone. The colors in this kit are more peachy, coral colors, and then the colors in the fair skin tone are more pink, and you know I don't like pink much, so I purchased this one. The actual price of this kit is 1200 rupees, but I bought it from Jabong and there was a 25% discount, so I got this for 900 rupees, and I think this was a nice deal. And there are 4 products as I told you. So I had done a video separately of products, but I somewhere lost the video. I might have deleted the video, I guess. So I'll be showing you the product and doing a demo of it side by side. So, and if you want to see the demo of a particular product, I'll put the timings and everything so that you can jump to that segment and see how that works. So first of all, this is how the packaging is, and this also comes with a cute makeup pouch. This is so cute. This makeup pouch. I think this makeup pouch is very handy. You can put all your lipsticks or all your kajals all in this. This is very handy and very cute as well. This is the size of it. So first of all, let's have a look into the kajal. So this is the Colorbar MesmerEyes Kajal, and this is how it looks like. Let me show you. Yeah, this is how it looks, and the actual price of this kajal is 299 rupees. So I'll open it and I'll show it to you. This is the kajal and this is the quantity, and as I said, the price is 299. Yes. So let's try it on eyes and see how this, so that you can see how this kajal works. So let's see. Without kajal, I feel terrible. This is quite creamy in texture, and it's easy to apply, I guess you can see. I think this is very easy to apply, and this kajal is really nice. I would definitely highly recommend this kajal to you. You can see this is so easy to apply, and this looks good. This is very dark black in color, and I finally can feel there is some life in my eyes now. Okay, so what do you think about the kajal? I think it's superb. It's very black, very easy to apply, creamy, and it looks beautiful. Okay, so first product I have shown you. Now the second product is let's see, lipstick. This lipstick. So this is how the lipstick looks like. The name of this shade is Pretty Please, and this is the Colorbar Velvet Matte Lipstick. The price of this lipstick is 325 rupees, and this is a nice orangey. So I have zoomed in again so that you can see how this lipstick fares. So let's see how this fares. I love this color, beautiful color. I have nothing on my lips. This also smells like chocolate. shade is beautiful. It's beautiful shade. So I applied kajal, I applied lipstick. Now I guess I am very happy with both of these products. These products are beautiful, both of these. I mean, this lipstick is bomb. Seriously, this is so beautiful. I love this shade. Okay, now I'll be using the blush. If you follow my videos, you must be aware that I don't use blushes much because either I forget or I'm not a huge fan of blushes. So let's see, this one is the blush and I'll show you in detail.
This is the Colorbar Cheekillusion mini blush. Now I am not sure about the price of this because it's not mentioned on the pack, and the actual blush is of 650 rupees, so I'm assuming this must be around 325. I am not sure though. But this is a nice pink shade. It's a pale pink shade with very slight shimmer, like it's not visible but it's very light, and the name of the shade is mentioned somewhere. Let me just see. Yeah, the name of the shade is Rosey Peach, and this is 3.8 grams in quantity. So let's try it on face and see how this
is the Colorbar Cheekillusion blush, and let me apply it with my Vega brush. Okay, as I said, I don't apply blushes much. Let's see. Colors are so pigmented. I hope you can see from this distance. This is where I mostly apply my blush. Where I like to apply it. Okay. This is again very pigmented. I hope it's visible. I hope it's visible. It is visible to me, of course, but it should be visible to you as well. Otherwise, what's the point? This looks kind of natural. This doesn't look made up. The other color in the kit was a pinkish blush in the fair skin tone one, and I somehow felt this one is much better. So I'm done with the blush, I'm done with the lipstick, I'm done with the kajal. So finally I'm getting gorgeous, I guess. So now the last thing is the nail polish. First of all, how cute is this bottle? And this one is the shade, the name of this shade is, it was written somewhere, Eternal Blush. Wow. So this is the bottle, chubby bottle, and I'll show it to you.
So this is the Colorbar WonderGel nail lacquer. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a cute chubby bottle, and this retails for 325 rupees. I'll open it and show. See, this is how the bristles are, very short and dense, just the way I like it. And this color is kind of a pale pink peachy color, like this is, you can say, a dusty rose, I guess, but this color is absolutely beautiful and I love this shade. I hope you can see the color. Like, let me show you. Yeah, I hope you can see this.
This is the nail polish. I hope you understood this shade and I hope you saw the shade. This is a very light peachy pink kind of a color. I'm not applying it on my whole fingers because I'm not in a mood to apply it. Otherwise, I just wanted you to see the color and appreciate the color because this color is very beautiful. And so these are the 4 items in the in this bag. These are the 4 items and I would highly recommend you this. I would like you to go for this brand, go for this makeup kit, because this almost has every possible item and the colors are really beautiful. The lipstick, my favorite item over here is the lipstick because the shade is so beautiful. I mean, this shade is gorgeous shade. So I totally loved it. I would highly recommend you this. and you guys, I'll see if currently it's out of stock, but I'll definitely put the link down below. If I see this product, I'll definitely put the link down below so that you can have a look and buy this. And I hope I'm looking gorgeous now. Get gorgeous kit by using this get gorgeous kit. I hope I'm looking gorgeous now. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you.